Welcome guys to the Troquito Naranjada vlogs. Please like and subscribe and comment down below.
Good morning, guys. Little V6 here again, back with another video. But today's gonna be a different video. It's gonna be the same shit. It's gonna be a little bit of work vlog. And after that, we're gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna post up with some people or if it's just gonna be me by myself. But fuck it, a la verga. I'm gonna take the little truck out later on. Take some clips of it, some shots, some pictures. We'll see how that goes, guys. Money. Guys, we just made it out here. Let's see how this little video comes out.
Coach Taki got the dope.
Obviously, you know, want to V8 swap it, but so far my dumbass rather spend money on quads and shit. But yeah, guys, a la verga. I don't know who that was, but yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this little vlog. You know, I said in the beginning, it's a little vlog. Algo leve. Shit. Hold on, guys, I just forgot. The vlog is not over. Today's vlog is gonna be a mixture of quads and trucks. Last time you guys saw it was the black quad. It was just a couple clips. But now, two cut. What's up, mate? How's the quad? What's up, man? You gonna bust some donuts for us or what? Why not, bro? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me see the mullet. Mullet check. Ooh! Damn, boy. How long have you grown your mullet for?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Oh, I'm so zoomed out. What more could you guys possibly want? Quads, nice sunset, beautiful view, and I got la troquita at home, even though it's a V6, who cares? Fuck them haters. Aquí andamos poco a poco. In a little cut. TTP, you already know.
Coach Tacky, got the dope.
Guys, the 2 latest toys to the channel. Before, you guys only saw that one. It was a few clips. Today we're gonna get more. Now we have that one featuring the little cut. How do you feel?
Astonishing.
Ooh, look at that. Algo leve, plebes. And soon, God willing, it'll be like this, but it'll be his car or his truck. And my truck, because obviously, you know, I'm gonna keep my truck. What are you gonna go for, a car or a truck? I love it. Oh, there you go, boys. TTP, así me gusta, pa. Beautiful view, guys, like I said.